Hello my fabulous friends and welcome back. I hope that you're all having an amazing day today. If this is your first time stopping by, my name is Theo. Welcome. So for today's video guys, we're going to be taking a look at the Liveglam Kissme subscription for the month of August. So if you're interested in seeing what lippies came inside of this month's bag, stay tuned. For those of you who are not familiar with Kissme, it is a monthly lipstick subscription from Liveglam where you receive between 3 and 4 lip products each month for $19.99. Now the lip products that you receive can be anywhere from liquid lipsticks, bullet lipsticks, lip glosses, lip scrubs, or lip liners. Now one of my favorite things about this subscription is that you always know what's coming out before your bill. So if you're not happy with the products for that month, you can always skip the month, or you can even trade your lippies for another collection. Now with that said, let's go ahead and dive in and see what products came this month. Now when you receive your bag each month from Kissme, it comes in a little package like this that says Liveglam Kissme on the front with some pretty red lips there. And on the other side is just the address. Now inside of the bag each month, they do include a card which includes the theme for the month. And this month's theme is Bake Me Crazy, and here's what that looks like. And on the other side here, we have a message along with the shades that are inside of this month's bag. And the message for this month says, life is what you bake of it, and our August Lippy Club collection is sure to make you happy. This month features 4 mouth-watering products, 2 delicious mattes, complete with pink ombre casing and 2 ultra creamy lip liners. Bake us happy and show off your sweet looks. Make sure you tag us on Instagram for a chance to get reposted. Stay glam. XOXO Liveglam. The lip products themselves are in this little cute organza bag there. It says Liveglam Kissme on the front. And here's what our lippies look like for the month. There they are in the pink casing there. The pink and then the darker pink there, very pretty. And those colors are absolutely gorgeous as well. And then they have the 2 lip liners which are inside of the boxes here. So I'm looking at the card, and one of the lippies in here is a cranberry color, which goes along nicely with this color here, and then the other one is a pecan color, which goes along nicely with this color here. So I'm going to swatch everything for you, and then I'll try them on in pairs. So let's go ahead and swatch the lip liners first. Again, that's what the packaging looks like. Absolutely gorgeous. And the first one I'm going to pull out is Cranberry. So let's take a look at Cranberry. And here's what that looks like. And that's the color there at the end. Oh, this glides really nicely. Here's what Cranberry looks like. But I want to show you how easy this glides on. Look at this. Look at that. Very nice. It just glides effortlessly. I love that. That color is gorgeous. So let's go ahead and put Cranberry on and see how it looks. So here's what Cranberry looks like. I just went ahead and put it all over my lips so you guys could really see what it looks like. This color is absolutely beautiful. Let me go ahead and come in a little bit for you. Look at that. You could wear this lip liner as a lipstick and throw a little bit of gloss over it, and it would be absolutely stunning. Love this, and it glides effortlessly. Very, very nice liner. Since I already have the Cranberry liner on, let's go ahead and take a look at the lippy that coordinates with this, and that is Scoop. There it is, and here's what that color looks like. And it says, like the cherry on top, this true red shade will last through every bite of your sundae. Let's go ahead and swatch it real quick. Oh, that's so pretty. So, so pretty. Okay. Here that is swatched right there. And that Scoop, there it is. It matches really well with that liner. I'm going to go ahead and put this right on top of the liner. So here's Scoop, there it is. This color is so, so pretty, and it goes really, really well with the liner. I just put it right on top since I already had the liner on, but this color is absolutely gorgeous and it feels amazing on my lips. I love a good red, and this definitely does it for me. Look at that. Makes me feel all nice and sensual and stuff. Very, very pretty. It's very rare, if ever, that Kissme disappoints me. I love their lip products. I think that they do a really good job. The formulas are great. And now that they're extending their line to include more scrubs and glosses and other things, I just think it's a fantastic little subscription. Anyway, let's move on to the next liner and lippy. So when I went to take off that last lipstick, I realized that I had lipstick all over my teeth. I don't know if you guys saw that or not, but if you did, I apologize. Anyway, let's go ahead and move on to the next lip liner. The next lip liner we have up is Pecan. And again, that's what the packaging looks like. And here's Pecan. And for Pecan, it says, this warm caramel brown lip liner will make any nude or brown lip even more delish. So let's go ahead and swatch it. This one actually swatches the same as the other one, very smooth. That's what that looks like. The color is very pretty, very nice neutral shade there. Let me go ahead and throw this on real quick. So here's Pecan on. This is also a really nice color that can be worn all by itself with a little bit of gloss on top. Or if you're not into gloss, you can wear it just like this. The lipstick in the collection that coordinates with Pecan is Want a Spoon, and here's what that looks like. And it says, this matte milk chocolate shade will satisfy your sweet tooth without the guilt. So let's go ahead and swatch it real quick and then I'll throw it on. Oh wow, that is gorgeous. Look at that. Very nice chocolatey type of color. I love it. Let me go ahead and throw this on. My lipstick application is definitely not the best today, but you get the gist of it. Here's what Want a Spoon looks like up close. I'm absolutely loving this August Kiss Me collection. Every single product in here I think looks absolutely fabulous on me. Now that just might be my opinion, but I love the way they look on me and how they complement my skin tone. And I love the fact that even though we got 2 lip liners, you can use the lip liners as a lipstick. And like I said, for me, I would just put a little bit of gloss over it. So in essence, I got 4 products that I can wear as lipsticks. And I think that's fantastic for $19.99. Okay, so just to recap real quick, we got these 2 lovely lipsticks in Cranberry and Want a Spoon, and then we got the 2 coordinating liners, one in Pecan and one in Cranberry that came in this August collection. Again, I know I said it before, but I absolutely love this collection. If you're interested in the August collection, I know that it's available till I believe the 23rd of this month. I'll go ahead and leave a link down in the description box below so you can check that out if you're interested. So which color was your favorite color in this month's collection? Let me know down in the comments below. Anyway, guys, that is all that I have for today. I thank you so much for spending a part of your day with me today. I truly do appreciate it. Before you go, if you'd hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and give this video a like, I would appreciate that as well. And until next time, have an absolutely fabulous day. Take care. Bye-bye.